everyone, Pamela here. Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we're focusing on Searchbug's Phone Validator Tool featuring the advanced line type service level. But first, what is a phone validator tool? A phone validator tool is a tool that will help you discover a wealth of information about phone numbers. So you can use a phone validator tool to learn the history or real-time information about a number's line type, the carrier name, the location, reachable status, or if it's on the do not call list, and much more. So if you're trying to validate someone's phone number so you can save time calling or texting bad numbers, or you wanted to avoid TCPA fines, then you're in the right place. So to use Searchbug's phone validator, I need you to head over to searchbug.com and then click Lookup tab and then select Identify Phone Number. Once you're here, you just need to enter the phone number and then select the service level. On this case, we'll be showing you the information for the advanced line type. So this has 99.9% accuracy, and this will show you the real-time line type for the phone number. And once you already confirmed all the information, click on Verify and confirm your order by clicking I approve. So there you go. Once done, you'll be able to get the phone type, the carrier name. You'll be able to check as well if the number has been ported or not. You also check if the phone number has an SMS email, the time zone, the local calling area. That's it for today, everyone. I hope I was able to help you. If you have any question, comments, or suggestion, please feel free to comment down below. Thank you again, guys, for your time, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.